Have you been searching for the best cleaning service? Your search stops here. Welcome to MC Commercial Cleaning in Dallas, Texas. For several years now, we have been the most sought-after solution. We pride in our ability to transform messy and unorganized spaces into something impeccable and pristine. Moreover, we have a reputation of reliability and dependability. Since day one, our focus has been towards upholding that reputation. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Truthfully, we have all it takes for us to meet demands and surpass expectations. As commercial cleaning experts, we know that offices get used with frequency, and they still have to look presentable every day. Furthermore, you deserve a clean and healthy work environment. Beyond cleaning, what we genuinely do at MC Commercial Cleaning is simplifying your office maintenance. There are many cleaning companies out there, but we are the top choice among commercial clients in Dallas and surrounding areas. Why? We meet our clients' demands with 1. Licensed, insured and guaranteed cleaning services. 2. Affordable pricing. 3. Implementation of the best cleaning guidelines and protocols. 4. High-quality cleaning products. 5. Reliable and efficient staff. Don't think twice. Contact your reliable and local commercial cleaning experts. Call 214-987-6029 to request a free estimate or to schedule an appointment.